Are you kind of frustrated that your Apple Watch 11 is not showing any notifications from text messages to app notifications are either not showing on your watch face or not coming at all, even though they're coming on your synced iPhone? Well, let's see what might be preventing it and how to fix it fast. So let's go ahead and start with checking out some settings on our Apple Watch. Press on the power key and bring down the kernel center. First of all, very important, make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and functional. And while you're here, make sure airplane mode is not accidentally turned on. In that case, Wi-Fi will be off and you will not get any notification. So next, just go ahead and make sure it's not on low power mode. And along with that, make sure focus, DND, or sleep mode, everything is disabled. And also go ahead and check your Apple Watch is not on theater mode. In that case, your watch will be on silent mode and you will miss out notifications even if it shows up. Lastly, what you can do is just tap on the top over the mobile icon and make sure it's connected to your iPhone. Along with that, you can tap over the iPhone ping icon. And normally it's used to finding your iPhone, but right now it'll quickly confirm they're connected when your iPhone starts beeping. Well, let's say you've checked everything, but the notifications are still not coming. So now, let's check out some settings in the Watch app. So open the Watch app. From there, go to Notifications. First, make sure all these notification-friendly options, all three are toggled on. But if your problem is alert stops coming once you take off your watch, just go to Show Notification on Raise Down. If there is any specific app that's acting up, not showing up when you take off your watch, find them in this list and just toggle on this button. And also go down to the second part for iPhone apps that can send you alerts and toggle on notification buttons for specific apps or all of them. Now go back one step, scroll till the end, and make sure Mirror iPhone alerts are on for all these apps listed in here if some or all of them are not sending you alerts on your watch. And to get notification, please remember your iPhone should be locked. Now what if it's locked but still no notification is coming on your watch? For that, make sure Always on Display is turned on because when your watch's screen is off, notifications might not come properly. So press over the crown, go to Settings, scroll down and enter Display and Brightness. Scroll down to Always On and make sure it's enabled. Now after that, just scroll down just a bit to show notifications and make sure it's enabled as well. You can also scroll down in here and cross-check if all the apps are allowed to send you alerts, although we've already checked that. And all the settings we have shown you are enough to fix literally any notification problem on our Apple Watch 11. Thanks for watching.